Welcome back. Let's grab a coffee and talk about roles in Consul. So let's imagine a situation when you are a team leader and you have two teams, Team A and Team B. These teams have access to different key value stores. Let's create them. Let's call this Team A and create another one, Team B. And inside Team A, let's log in with our token. Basically, what we need is to create a new key value. So here we want to create a host, which is production. And we want to go back to the nodes. Come on, system, CTL status console. Good. Key value, Team A, we have the host, and Team B, we will have the host key, and this is going to be development. Now we need to create two policies. One policy is going to be called Team A policy, and the key prefix is going to be Team A, and the policy is going to be write. And save it. And now we will have a new policy, Team B, and the rule is going to be key prefix Team B / and the policy is going to be write. Good. Now we have two policies. These policies grant access, Team B policy, just to be uniform. So these policies grant access to the appropriate key value folders. And what we want to do is to create two tokens. So these tokens will represent the actually three tokens. So this first token is going to be Team A, and the policy that we want to assign is the Team A policy. And then a new token will be called Team B, and the policy that is going to be applied is the Team B policy. And we will have a third one, which is the Team Lead, and we are going to apply Team A policy and Team B policy. Or we can just skip it. Let's remove it for now and save it. And now we are going to create a role. And we call this Team Lead role. And the policy is going to be Team A policy and Team B policy, and save it. And now for the tokens, we go to the Team Lead and we assign the Team Lead role and save it. So here comes the fun part. Let's open up a new Safari window with private session, and we want to load the UI. And in this UI, what we have to do is to log in. And for the login, what we are going to do is to take first the Team A token. And under the key value, we see that the Team A folder is the only visible. Let's log out and take the Team B secret ID with the login. And you can see that under the key value, the Team B is the only visible. And now if we take the Team Lead secret ID and log in, you will see that the Team Lead has access to both of the team's key value store. And in general, this is how you can use roles, policies, and tokens to configure different hierarchies in your console environment. See you in the next one.